Hello there, welcome to my channel. It is adventure time. This is part two of my trip where I took my float tube to a few different lakes. So this particular lake I got into quite a few. It was a lot of fun, so let's just get right at it. Let's go. Well, I have moved on. I'm at another lake that I've been to many times. I was here about this time last year and got into quite a few cuts and a few decent tigers. There's some really big tigers in here, so I'm hoping for one of the fatties, but I'll take whatever. So I got about probably 4 hours or so to fish. So anyway, let's hit it. Hopefully we get into a few fatties. Let's go. All right, there's a go time. Same stuff I had at the last lake. Start off with my midge tip, all zebra dingling on the bottom, primary Frenchie in the middle, and a holographic saw tackle up top. Oh, my hand freaking hurts. I grabbed my net, put it on. There was a yellow jack on it. Stung me right there. Oh my gosh, my hand is throbbing. Oh well, it's what it is. Alright, it is go time. Oh, shoot. There you go. Oh shoot, I just lost one. Third hookup I've had. I've not landed one yet. Something pretty good. It's just a cut. I believe it is a cut. Yep. Decent cut on the all zebra dingling. Very nice. Gotta go, man. It's getting windy. Thanks, buddy. Another hookup right in front. Ooh. I don't think it's very big. I got a crap ton of moss on me. Pretty sure it's just a cut. Yep. And 10 pounds of moss. Dang it. Sucks. Oh no. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That sucks. That was a bad idea. Last time I had an instant take. I mean, I almost hit it like a dry. He feels, I wasn't looking, but he feels solid. I'm guessing it's a tiger because he's pretty strong. Looks like probably on the, yeah, he's on the zebra demon. Yeah, definitely a tiger. A huge one, but decent. Oh shoot, got off. Oh well. Not the fun part. I would take, I think he's on the holographic soft tackle. Yep. Cut on the holographic. They just don't fight as hard as the tigers. Of course, they're only not even half as big. But chill out, dude. Chill out. you go if you chill out for one. Oh my gosh. It was annoying as all get up, trying to get the hook out. Hold still for like 2 minutes. Hey buddy. Crap, I just missed a toad. Man. I took it right to the surface. That was a big tiger. Dang it. Yeah, this wind is so awesome. Oh, there. Oh, dang it. Fish on, we was on the chronomid Frenchie. Oh, yeah, he was on the chronomid Frenchie. He got up. It's hooked up. Probably another cut. I think it's foul hooked. Pretty sure he's foul hooked. Yeah, he is. I can see him. I was like, man, he's fighting hard, but he's just a cut. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Can't land a fish to save my life. You know that fish on. I don't know if he's a... I think it's a cut. Yep. Pretty decent cut though. He is on the silver soft tackle. That's actually a pretty decent cut right up here. Pretty solid guy. Silver soft tackle. Tied with the red wire. There in the upper lip. Decent egg. It's a pretty solid cut. Pretty. Hi buddy, thank you. The sun is back out for, it'll be about 30 seconds, but it's out. You can only get the wind to stop for a second so you can see. I always kind of curse when I come to this lake. But it'll be sunny pretty much all around you, but then a cloud right over you. Hook up just on the sink. Doesn't feel big, I'm assuming it's a cut. Yep, on the all zebra demon. Oh my gosh, my stupid camera's always messing up. Now. Little cut. Thank you, buddy. Splash me in my face. Let you go. Try to let you go. And I have yet to land any tigers. I've had two. Oh, there's one right in front of me. Had two on. One was big. Even the other one was bigger than any of the cuts I caught, but it wasn't the big realm as far as tigers go. Especially here. So yeah, it's calmed down a little bit. I can actually see. You know, if I could just see when I could drop one with my indicator. Got the balanced damsel in front of them. I just hooked a monster. My biggest cut of all time right here. Massive. Bait for the tigers. On the all zebra demon. Thanks, bud. Start and retreat. Yep. Man, very nice. I keep the wind to stop for a half hour. It's not going to happen, but it would be nice. Very hard to keep any quarter close to the spot. There we go. Little cut. I must have just stalked it. He's on the carpet Frenchie. Yeah. Cut. The tiny. Oh, he's on the zebra demon. I thought he was on the carpet Frenchie. Okay. Come on, buddy. You're gonna help me out here. Another cut. Pretty one. This is a pretty one. Yeah, nice one. Whoa, in the net. Trying, not doing very good at my net job. There you go. That's really pretty cut. Look at that guy. Really pretty. Nice, pretty cut girl. He's pretty. Pretty. Hey buddy, thank you. Anyway. Ooh, fish on the olive zebra demon, little cut. Standard cut out of here, nothing totally big. Well, let's go. All zebra demon again. Nice again. Go. Some tiny guys will eat. I guess they stopped it this year because I keep catching these little tiny guys. Thanks, bud. For a second, I can see. Oh, there's all the big chunky tigers. Well, it is bathroom / break time / eat. Yeah, not as nearly as fast action as it was last year, but the weather's mega windy, so I can't really sight fish. I can't like the big tigers, but I don't know. I got quite a few takes, got a handful of cuts, and hooked one really big tiger and one other decent one. So we're gonna take a break, snack time. Eat one of these lemon bars are so good, and then Uncrustable and a Diet Coke, and I'll head back at it. Let's go. Back at it. About an hour and a half left. We're at the bail. We're getting to a few, and I love to catch one of the big tigers. Don't know if it'll happen or not. We gotta hook up on the sink. Not feel too big. He actually might. I think he might be a tiger after that. Yeah, he's foul hooked. I can't. He's a cut. He's just a nice cut. Where's that kid? Man, he's a nice cut. Oh, that's a solid cut. Thicky. On the olive zebra demon. Nice cut, let's let him go. Thanks, buddy. Thanks so much. Another yard take. Doesn't feel huge. Probably another cut. Another cut. This guy's fat. There we go. I'm breaking my rule. Okay, go. You're supposed to net them or they make it out of a mess. Almost in the mood to eat. Bump after bump. Switch my indicator rig for a minute. Probably try it briefly. You can actually see with the sun. Oh, looks like we might have a break from the cloud for a. Oh, here comes another one already. But this place is a lot funner when you can see. I wasn't paying attention. All my indicators down. Indicator just shot down. I'm sure it's just a cut. Took the damsel or the bounce damsel. Bounce damsel right in the upper lip. Nice looking cut. Let him go. Don't worry, buddy. Thank you. Shoot. There we go. Always when I'm not paying attention. Well, this guy's on the balance hairs here. Nope. Bye bye. He's on the damsel. Oh, yeah, well, first tiger. Oh no, he is on the balance hairs here. Not a terribly big tiger. First landed tiger. Oh. Oh, nice little tiger. There you go. Thanks, bud. Oh shit, I gotta. I wish this wind would die down. I was getting tired of him having to kick the entire time. Right when I turn my camera off, get a take. It was on the olive zebra demon. Pretty sure he's just a cut. Yeah, just a little cut. Chunky little guy. I could do that so you would break your line. Thanks, buddy. Monster on the, I keep saying silver soft tackle, it's a holographic soft tackle tied with a glow bright thread underneath. So it's very red. In fact, I think it's all the tinsels come off, so it's just red. Come on, dude. Hey, buddy. Still on. Take, rise a hit. Oh, just a whoa, strong. Oh, just a cut. Oh, he's going down in the weeds. Oh, crap. They're caught in the weeds. Tiger. Terribly big tiger, but a tiger nonetheless. Ooh, nice. Not too shabby. Tiger broke off my holographic saw tackle, but I was able to recover it. Nice chunky little tiger. He fought pretty hard. Thanks, bud. I don't have a whole lot of time before the sun goes away. I'm not going to retie it on. I'm just going to save it. Fish with 2 flies until I get out of here. Bit. Nowhere near the action I had last time, but still pretty fun. I'm getting takes. Just one of the big tigers again. Dang it. It's still fun. Well, that is the end of part 2. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I've experienced better action in the past there. I've actually gotten to quite a few. Didn't catch any of the huge tigers, but got a couple little ones. Had a good time, so yeah, appreciate you watching. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.